Agent. Agent.
Agent. Agent. A person whose job is to act for or manage the affairs of others in business, politics, etc. Our agent in New York deals with all U.S. sales. The literary agent negotiated a better publishing deal on behalf of the author. A person whose job is to arrange work for an actor, musician, etc. She signed a contract with a new agent. His agent booked him a role in a major Hollywood film. A person who works secretly to obtain information for a government or other organization. The secret agent infiltrated the enemy's headquarters. The undercover agent gathered intelligence on the criminal network.